Anthropic just released Claude 3.7 Sonnet, which is the very first hybrid AI model. What does hybrid even mean? Put very simply, this one AI model can now do two things. Number one, give you very quick answers that don't require a lot of thinking, like why is the sky blue? The second thing it can do is think really, really hard by breaking down problems into step-by-step, spending a buttload of time reasoning and thinking before it actually gives you the answer. For example, create a full-on report about AI and the impact on jobs in 2025 across these 10 sectors. Now, the last one is what we call the reasoning models, which is all the ones that you've seen recently in the last couple of weeks, like O3 Mini from ChatGPT, R1 from DeepSeek, Gemini Flash, Thinking, and Grok 3. They are all doing deep thinking, which requires a lot of time and a lot of compute power. But the problem is, from a user perspective, we have to think about which model is best used for what question. Like in ChatGPT, we have all these models, the same with Gemini. Whereas with Claude 3 Sonnet, it gives you these two options inside that one model. And eventually they want to get to the point where the AI model can think for itself how long it should be taking to answer the question. The plus side for API users is that they can control the budget on how long they should take to answer a question, which can save on cost and time and compute power. All users now have access to Claude 3.7 Sonnet, but the free users don't get the reasoning version. Another thing Anthropic has been known for is being the safe model, where it refuses to answer dangerous questions, but now it's taken out a lot of that guardrail. So it's reduced this number by 45%, where it will answer more of your questions. This is a fun use case I'll be using for my kids, which is create a Monopoly game for kids that teach them about property investing and compound interest. Claude ran into a couple of errors, but it managed to fix itself and produce this, but kids version. So think toy store, game shop, ice cream parlor, and you get to roll the dice. And it gives you tips. Last but not least, Claude Code, where software tools like Cursor have said that Claude is world-class for coding, where it smashes OpenAI and DeepSeek, and again, for agentic tool use. Share in the comments what you've been using Claude for.